Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you are all doing really well. I have got a Home Bargains haul today for you. I am so excited. You know I love my Home Bargains. I have got some really good things. They had some new bits in and I could not help but buy them. Did I need them? Not at all. I cannot though, and I'm sure I will get some comment down below because I cannot find my receipt anywhere. So yeah, I think because I've had this stuff in the bag for a couple of days, I've just completely misplaced the receipt. So I'm just gonna try and remember prices best I can. I'm sorry if I don't quite get them right, but I can remember like roughly how much things were, but I will just really try to do better next time and not lose my receipt. It'll turn up after this, it always happens. But yeah, I'll get straight into the video and show you everything that I bought. Right, first of all, I love these. I got two of these. These like crackle, what are they called? Crackle glass? I think they might be called that. Vases. I don't really know why I bought two. I think I want them like with something in the middle, maybe on the windowsill, like either side. I think they look really nice as well. If you had like a big dining table, a couple of these in the middle with something in. I don't know yet. I got two because in my head they're gonna look nice, like somewhere, symmetry and all that. I can't remember the price of these, but these were new in, I think they were around £7, something like that. But yeah, how pretty are those? They'd be nice with a candle in as well, or some nice artificial flowers. But yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna put them in a windowsill with maybe a bigger something in the middle, and yeah, just have them either side. I also picked up one of these round silver cushions with the little gem in the middle. This was around £4.99, really nice and chunky. They had other colours as well. I think they had a pink one. There might be a couple more. I think these are on the website as well if you want to get anything from the website. There are a few things that I've spotted on there. If you can't go to the store, then there is stuff available online. They had some really nice like boxes, like stacked up suitcase boxes, and they did them in white with like gold buckles, and they also did them in pink. They were on the website as well. If you know what I'm talking about, like they're them really trendy suitcase storage, but they're normally really expensive. I think they were around £29, and I would have got the white ones. I had my eye on them, but they've gone out of stock. But I think the pink ones are still in stock online, so I think they would be gorgeous for a little girl's bedroom or something. And yeah, good little bit of storage, so definitely worth looking on the website. I've not seen them in store. This is just going to go probably on the sofa, probably another one for Rudy to chew up, and yeah, it was around £4.99. If you've seen any of my other videos, you will know that I have got a problem with trays and I can't stop buying them. I didn't need this. Yeah, this one was £7.99, and then they do a bigger one that's £9.99. Yeah, I went for the smaller one because I want to use it in my bedroom. I just think things look better on a tray. I just put everything on trays, just in the kitchen, in the bedroom, in the living room. Just putting things on trays just makes me happy. And this is a really nice mirrored one with all the little diamantes on the side. So yeah, again, like I say, there is a much bigger one as well for £9.99, but this size is the sort of size that I wanted to get. Now this is not something I normally show on my hauls, like this, the food stuff in Home Bargains. I don't tend to buy a lot of like the fridge and frozen stuff, but I had the boys with me and it was a hot day and they wanted ice lollies. This is a really good buy. This is a 20 pack of lollies, and it's got like all different ones in there, and for me with 3 boys just ice lolly mad, this is just a really good option for us because it lasts us quite a while and there is something that all of them like. So that was worth looking out for in Home Bargains. I also got some ice creams. Obviously this is empty. I have put them in the freezer. It's like my prop, showing you the box because the amount of time that I witter on, they'd be all melted. So they've already gone in the freezer, but you get the idea. Yeah, also got these, which are really nice. I can confirm because I have tried them. These are just 4 ice cream cones, just like cornettos, and you've got a flake in the middle. This was my very mum thing to say, I'll get you an ice cream, but we'll get a box of them because it's cheaper. So that's exactly what we did. They walked home eating their ice cream and ice lollies whilst I carried all the bags home. But yeah, worth looking for little things like that in Home Bargains because they are really cheap. I say about these quite a lot that I always get these from Home Bargains because they are individually wrapped. So I've got the Pano Chocolates and the croissants. So you get a 6-pack of each. They are 99p each. They do like the brioche buns and things as well, and they do like, I think they do Pano raisin, but I always get these because these are just what the boys like to have, and like I say, individually wrapped, so I can put them all out on my little breakfast bar area and they can help themselves, or if we're going anywhere for the day and I need to pack some snacks or pack lunches when they're back at school, then they are just perfect for that because they're already wrapped. Also got the boys some new toothbrushes whilst I was in there. I had not seen these before. These are electric toothbrushes, but they've got like 2 heads with them, and it says that it's got like a dual action brush head on, so it's got like a cheek and tongue cleaner in it as well. So you can replace the batteries in these, and obviously you can replace the head. So I got 1 each for Toby and for Dylan, and it's good because they're obviously in different colours, which is just always makes my life. If I can find products for the boys that are the same but different colours, so we don't have any like discrepancies of whose is whose, or if somebody's got something different, then yeah, that just does make my life. So yeah, I got 1 each for Toby and for Dill, and then Archie was with me, so he picked his own and he wanted a Batman one, so this is what he got. He got himself a little electric toothbrush with the Batman design. They've always got loads in there. It's something that I always get for Christmas Eve boxes and things. Always get them a new toothbrush that sort of time, that sort of thing, stocking fillers and that. I think they're always really good for that. I also got myself one, this pink soft grip one, because I do have an electric one, but it is not working currently. It will not charge, so I got myself this whilst I sort out that situation. And yeah, I just got this one because it was pink and there is not a lot to say about it. I think it was about £1.50 for that. That's the go-to place for all that kind of thing. Home Bargains, where you want to get your shower gels, your toothbrushes, your cloths, all of that stuff. I also got some dry shampoo, which I am intrigued about, because normally I would just get like Batiste. That's the one that I would always get, but they don't have any of that in Home Bargains. All they had was this drumstick squashies dry shampoo. Kids got really excited because they thought it was something edible, but yeah, it's gonna obviously smell like squashies, I'd assume. There's not really like, it's not really my thing. I don't really like squashies, I don't like the smell of them, but I just really needed some dry shampoo. So hopefully this just does the job. But yeah, if they had Batiste in, which they normally do but they didn't have any in, then I would have got that. But we shall give this a try, and if it can get me another day's wear out of my hair, then I'll be happy. I also got some of these. Now these are new, well, they were new that I'd seen in Home Bargains. They are very similar to something that Aldi do, but they're smaller. I've forgotten what they're called in Aldi. They're called like groovy bars or something. It's something that my boys really like having. They're just like those biscuits with the caramel in and the Smarties on the top. But yeah, these are a little bit smaller, but they are a great little snack for the kids. And you get in there 8. They're called Papita. And I think they had a different flavour as well. But yeah, I just thought we'd try them, and the kids like them, so they are a bit of a win-win. I also got some of these, which I am a little bit obsessed with, these sugar-free Mentos. So they're just like chewy, sugar-free mints. I've had a lot of them. And yeah, they were one of those things that was at the till. I'm gonna have one now. And yeah, I just sort of get them. Great for putting in my handbag. I get through so much chewing gum, because when I have anything, I just have it in excess. So I'd have like half a pack at a time with chewing gum. So things like this are really good for me to keep in my bag, because I get through a lot of mints and chewing gum and constantly chewing something. So yeah, I thought I'd get some of them. I will definitely buy these again as well. And then lastly, I just got some matches, because I struggle sometimes to find lighters for my candles. I just think there's something about having a box of matches in. I don't know why. These are just the Cook's matches, and yeah, I like lighting a candle with a big match. I don't know why. They're just a handy thing to have, aren't they, as well? So I thought I would grab some whilst they were just at the end aisle and I spotted them. So yeah, a pack of matches. Really exciting, I know, but that is what I bought. This is my little haul of the week. But yeah, that is pretty much everything in my Home Bargains haul this time, and I will try and be better at remembering to keep my receipt next time. I do it every time. I'm so sorry. I hope that you are all doing really well, and I appreciate if you have sat through and watched this video, and I would love to see you again for my next one. Bye everyone!